In this exercise, we're going to do back rocking. So to do this, I'm going to lie on my back to start the exercise. At home, you can do this on the floor or on your bed. It doesn't matter, whichever is more comfortable for you. Have your knees bent, and I'm going to bring my knees up to my chest. But to do this, I'm going to support my knee with my hand and bring my knees up one at a time. So when I'm here, then just allowing time for my back to relax in this position. And then I'm going to start rocking my knees towards my head and away. It's a gentle movement, you don't have to do a big movement. And it is just a backwards and forwards movement, knees towards head and away. Now what this does is it starts to soften and release the tissues in the lower back. This is particularly good for anybody who has lower back pain, whether it's being caused by a strain or a disc issue, it doesn't matter. This is a good exercise to do for anybody with lower back problems. And what it does is the movement acts a bit like a piston in an engine, and it starts to pump fluid around the lower back and the spine in the lower back. So it helps to lubricate and to loosen around the vertebrae, the bones and the discs that are between the vertebrae. And quite often people with lower back pain have quite compressed and dehydrated discs, and this is just a nice way of helping to create a little bit more fluid and a little bit more space in the area. This is a really good exercise to do in the morning before you get out of bed, as it just helps to loosen your back before you get up. You don't have to do the exercise for as long as I'm doing it at the moment. Doing it for up to a minute is fine. It just helps to create a bit more flexibility in your back. And you can do this as many times as you want during the day, whenever things feel tight, maybe if you've been sitting for a while. It's a nice way of just keeping your back more mobile.